Alright, tonight what we're doing is we're making a smoothie. The smoothie ingredients. Now this is kumquat with extra firm tofu. We're going to put some of this in. We're also going to put in some 100% pomegranate juice from Alkastone. It's very delicious. If you love pomegranate juice, you should buy it this way. We're also going to introduce 100% no sugar added mango peach. This is very, very sweet, which is going to offset some of the tartness of the fruit. Let's see if I can show you. This right here is, this bottle here is 160 calories, 10 fluid ounces. It has no fat, 10 milligrams of sodium, so almost no salt. 38 grams carbohydrates, 35 of it being sugar, no protein. Oh, lucky us. It comes with potassium, 220 milligrams, and vitamin C, 45 milligrams. It's not the reason why I'm using it. I bought a case of these for my mom. She didn't like it. Linda doesn't like it. Too much sugar. I'm using it up in beverages. Alright, let's get started.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
This is a Black & Decker Crush Master. It is really the juicer that I use, the blender that I use for most of the products. Okay. Oh, one more thing. This is grapefruit juice, fresh grapefruit juice that we picked up at our CSA. It's not very sweet, but it's going to be a very nice base for sugar content. Every once in a while, isn't it nice just to have a beverage? We don't need to eat food every single night. All right. I'm going to pour in about that much. We'll just love kumquats. So that's gonna. Okay, the next thing we're gonna do is open this bottle. Okay, maybe not right away. Let's see then. Yeah, plastic on it. You know, we're gonna protect everybody from the idiots who mess up our bottles. Okay, this is gonna take a little longer to open up. So don't use this, it could slip and cut you. Use a butter knife. When you insert it, you're just trying to release the pressure a little bit. And sometimes that works. Okay, there. That's how you know it's fresh. Alright, stick it inside. Alright, so there's no real fast thing. You know, all I'm doing here is blending different types of food together. You saw the container. This was 8 fluid ounces. I used about a quarter of this container. I used about maybe a cup of this. You know, you're just experimenting. You're making a different type of beverage. Now, it does look kind of ugly looking right now. Now, if you want to make this more like a smoothie, you had a banana. This is a very, very ripe banana. Usually I save these for my breakfast. We didn't add enough of the kumquat. You could use, this is Sprouts vegan protein. Now I didn't have it this morning, I had something else. So I'm going to put a scoop in. Now this is just a little bit smaller than the scoop that comes in with the bottle. I like this because it's got a big handle, it's a little bit less. This one scoop, if you use their instructions, is 20 grams. So I get like maybe 18 grams of protein. More than enough for what I need. Put it back in there. Okay. Now you can see that the color has changed because of the protein mix. Okay, I'm going to pour it back in the glass. And now what it is, it's a sweeter, more delicate drink. But now it's got your protein, all the amino acids that you don't normally get, and it tastes good. And if you don't like this flavor, you can add more pomegranate. You could always add another one of these mango peach drinks. There's a lot of things that you can do. You can add more lemons to it, more oranges to it, and of course, always more kumquats. Well, I hope you enjoyed this unusual beverage. I sure am going to enjoy tonight, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video. Have a good night. Of course, now I gotta clean up everything.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.